Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more informative content. Exploring LendInvest, a property finance specialist. LendInvest stands apart from typical personal loan providers, specializing instead in property-related financing options. They offer buy-to-let mortgages, bridging loans, and development finance. If your goal is an unsecured personal loan, LendInvest isn't the right fit. However, for landlords, developers, and property investors seeking financial solutions, LendInvest is a highly competitive option. They deliver fast and flexible lending with a streamlined online application and rapid approval times. Their buy-to-let mortgages are tailored to both individuals and limited companies, with loan amounts determined by rental yield and borrower affordability. Bridging loans, designed for short-term property acquisitions or renovations, are perfect for investors aiming to flip properties or quickly secure necessary funds. Development finance is structured specifically for property developers, covering land acquisition and construction costs. One of LendInvest's significant advantages is its technology-driven approach. This simplifies the borrowing process, offering a more streamlined experience compared to traditional banks. Their rates are competitive, and loan terms are adaptable based on the chosen financing type. Eligibility typically depends on creditworthiness, property value, and income stability. Unlike traditional personal loan providers, LendInvest loans are secured against property. This means there's a risk of property loss if repayments aren't maintained. While LendInvest initially operated as a peer-to-peer lending platform, they've transitioned to institutional funding, strengthening capital security for borrowers. For those in the property sector requiring financing for buy-to-let investments, refurbishments, or development projects, LendInvest presents a robust option. However, if you're seeking an unsecured loan for personal use, you'll need to explore alternative lenders. If LendInvest aligns with your requirements, explore the links in the description for more information.